private elevator.
A sort of private elevator, exactly. You need the key card, otherwise you cannot reach the floor.
A terrazza, 8.
No, terrazza is on the other side. It's also on the 7th, but is on the other side. And this is the main entrance of our Katara.
No, the 701.
Yeah. No. No.
So it's like house.
Yeah. So here, for example, we have another room. It is the cinema room. It's over there. Well, we have the TV, the sofa. So it's a private space where you can enjoy movies without disturbing nobody. And also from here there is an outside
Super.
So from here you can pass by directly to the outside terrace. This is the main terrace where we have another TV with the sofa area, the imperial table, the opportunity to also have the cuisine outside. So for example, if you love barbecues, you can also have some barbecues outside.
Super. Private garden on the top of Milan.
Exactly. And as you can see, all the plants, all the trees are higher, so you can have also a lot of privacy. And with this corridor, we will have the main living room.
This is some special?
What do you mean?
No, material.
Yeah, no, well, it's glass, glass and iron. Yeah. Sorry if it's not. Yeah, because we used.
So yesterday it was party there?
Yeah, we made with our marketing team. We made a Christmas party.
Oh, Christmas party. everything locked.
Would you like? Yeah, from here. Usually all of them are closed.
So you've been yesterday as well in this party?
Yeah, we are finishing the cleanup.
Very close. Супер.
So we have the two cabinet. And here we have the main bedroom. Here in the middle of we have also a TV screen, so, well, two that you can use to see the TV from both sides of the room.
Fine.
Yeah.
But why they need two?
Yeah.
Not just go around.
No, it's just to. I don't know if it is works because if you are seeing something here, I don't know what can hear the other person on the,
Maybe you have
on the
deal
sofa.
when you open hotel. Buy one and then get
No, it should be.
second for
Probably.
free. Traction bathroom.
Is here. I show you. Well, we have also a private steam and a jacuzzi tub. Here we have also everything to arrange private massage, just in case if people need, we can organize private massage. So there is the spa bed and all the towels that can be used for special treatments.
And how big suite?
Is 1,200 square meters. If you pass by from here, you have my favorite place. And this is the pagoda.
What is it called?
Pagoda.
Pagoda.
Yeah. Called pagoda is a sort of private mini spa inside where you have this. That is also a heat room. So if you wish. So you can have a completely full relax also here. Except here there is another steam, so it's like having a small spa inside your suite.
Okay. So you will stay there, right?
Oh yeah.
Да, ну супер. So 1000 square meter.
Yeah.
This also.
And here we have another small garden. Small terrace, sorry.
Still not bad.
And in this case we have orange tree, lemon tree and jasmine. So basically plants coming from the Italian experience. Yep.